What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for coming, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Some things that are new, as you can see, my name is different on here. I decided to go ahead and change my name back because I am losing Lover by Nature as my business, so I changed my name to Ayana Alicia, which is my first and middle name, just in case you guys are confused. This video is going to be fairly short because I really don't have a lot to show for you guys. I do have box braids currently over my locks, so I didn't get a chance to record before I put them in, but this is what my hair is looking like at 6 months. Not much has changed. The only thing that's different is that I do have a lot of stray hairs outside of my locks, so I do plan on using the crochet method after I take these box braids out of my hair to fix that. Other than that, my hair is growing as it should be, and they're starting to feel a little bit heavier like locks are. I can't wait to see you guys next month for my 7-month lock update. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them below.